The pandemic has completely changed the way the world operates. Classes have been suspended and moved to an online format. Nonetheless, new job opportunities have been advertised that simply include work-from-home assignments. People are having a hard time adjusting to the new normal now that the pandemic is slowing down and the planet is returning to its previous state. The idea of working from the comfort of your own home is incredible because you no longer have to deal with the daily commute and constant interactions with highly stressful environments. Staying at home while working provides a sense of calm, and it has become a standard in today's environment. That said, in today's video, I'm about to offer you some work opportunities that you can pursue from the comforts of your own home. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now, the first website that I'll be showing you is Kelly Services. Kelly Services is a staffing agency with the main goal of wanting brighter futures for all. As they say right here, work with the industry leader who's breaking down barriers to help people connect with meaningful work and companies to prepare for what's next. Feel free to explore the page and have a little tour so you get a feel of what you're getting into with this method. Every piece of information is presented to you openly, so just browse through the whole thing and feed your curiosity. Okay, let's scroll all the way down to the bottom until we see the section that says Careers. Under that section, I want you to click Find a Job. You'll then be redirected to this page where you can now find jobs that you can do to make money online. You can use the search bar and look for the job openings that you want to do with Kelly Services, and through this, you can give full commitment to what you do, allowing you to do well in the field that you chose. You can look for job openings related to business support, customer service, and many, many more. These job categories are arguably the most popular ones, so if you identify yourself as being relatively good with any of these categories, then I highly suggest you go with them to ensure security of doing an overall good job. So that really is it for Kelly Services, which means we can now move on to the second website, which is called T-Tech Jobs. To give you a little something, T-Tech Jobs has already been up and running for how many years now, as they have proven themselves to be an excellent bearer of awesome opportunities that are widely available to anyone who looks for job openings. As you can see on their homepage, T-Tech is dedicated to helping each other create and deliver amazing customer experiences. To quote their little description, pull back the curtain for some of the world's most iconic brands and you'll find people and technology of T-Tech. We are the friendly faces and advanced technology solutions at the heart of customer experience. With that said, you can become a positive light that can provide aid to customers in need through marvelous customer service and customer relations. Now, I want you to click on this button that says Work from Home located on the upper portion of the page, and you will find yourself being redirected to this page where you can now seek out more details on their work from home opportunities. It's pretty much the same with Kelly Services, since what you're gonna do is basically use the search bar and find the perfect career path for you. Keep in mind that jobs are mostly for 5 to 7 hours every day and you don't need a degree to apply. Sometimes the jobs presented have very few requirements, so you should be able to fulfill that easily. Besides, there's a lot of jobs to choose from anyway, so I'm sure that you can find the perfect job for you. Now, when you click this button that says View All Work at Home Jobs, it'll lead you to this page where you can just scroll through and through to have a look at each job opportunity presented. If you grow an interest towards a certain job, just click on this green button right here that says Learn More, and the button speaks for itself. You can now learn more about the listing in order to assess whether it suits you best. Now to the third website, which is Appen. Appen is basically a platform that widely offers AI-related tasks that can be provided by search engines or social media platforms. As soon as you visit their official homepage, you can see that Appen offers world-class training data in the goal of having confidence in launching AI projects. As they say right here, they have over 25 years of experience and they claim to be the data for AI lifecycle leader, to quote further. With thousands of successful projects in data sourcing, data annotation, and model evaluation by humans, we enable the most innovative companies with AI projects to succeed. Now, the jobs here at Appen can be part-time or full-time, and they can all be accessed within the comfort of your own home. This is also flexible since you get to dictate your work hours as long as you finish the tasks assigned to you. Plus, Appen limits the usage of mobile phones, which can be a huge plus to people who find working on the phone to be uncomfortable. Now, I want you to go to the bottommost part of the page here on Appen and click on Jobs below the Company section. Once you do that, it'll then take you to this page where you can see a huge assortment of job opportunities waiting for you. You have the absolute freedom to apply for projects which are mainly long-term or part-time jobs. You can also pursue doing micro-tasks where you can start instantly right away, and you can also try with surveys and data collection where they will record your voice on your mobile device. All of these career paths are in line with the goal of making money online, so trust your gut and pick out which direction you want to go with, or better yet, if you have the time and capability, try everything all at once. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now that we're done with Appen, let's proceed into the fourth platform, which is called LiveOps. Now, LiveOps coined themselves as the modern contact center with these three pillars of their services, namely virtual, flexible, and efficient, as written right here on their main homepage. LiveOps doesn't just satisfy customer expectations, they exceed them every time with flexible, scalable, and virtual contact center solutions from the nationwide LiveOps agent network. Becoming an agent for LiveOps has tons of amazing benefits, and you can find them all by exploring the entire website as everything is handed to you. For starters, LiveOps strive to develop better services each and every day as they aim to vastly improve people's lives. Since they are a people-powered business, you are a part of that, and they work tirelessly on behalf of their entrepreneurial agents, dynamic enterprise clients, and dedicated employees. Once you're satisfied with the information that you hold, I want you to waste no time and click on the yellow button right here that says Become an Agent. After doing so, just click on the Apply button and get started as soon as possible. Remember, the sooner the better, so apply immediately. Now, the fifth and final website that I'll show you in today's video is called Lionbridge. Right off the bat, you can immediately see that Lionbridge has been working for 40 years already, with 25 years at the forefront of their field. They are more than ready to localize everything and carry out their mission as a whole. So on this page, I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom and then click the section for Join Our Team. Once you do that, you'll be taken to this page where you can now begin signing up for any of these 4 job openings available for you. You can become a corporate associate where you can be a part of what makes them run, or be a part of the translators and agencies where you can lend your voice in becoming a Lionbridge partner, or become an interpreter where you can share your expertise in forging understanding when it matters most. Lastly, you can become a part of the gaming team where you can use your passion to deliver amazing gaming experiences around the world. Just pick out any career path that you wish to pursue, and the rest is all up to you. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.